Hello guys, good morning to you. Welcome to my channel once again. Today's video I'm just going to be preparing egg sauce with cabbage, and here we have our ingredients. We have cabbage already cut, tomato paste, chopped onion, chopped tomatoes, one seasoning cube. I've been using 4 eggs, pepper, salt, and vegetable oil. So I'm just going to be needing about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, and I'm just going to go ahead and add my chopped onion. And just fry it for about 1 minute. And then just add my tomatoes puree. I'm just using 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. I'll let it fry for 1 minute, and I add 1 tablespoon of ground pepper, and I'm just going to go ahead and add my chopped tomatoes. Mix everything together very well, and I'm just going to allow it to cook for 2 minutes. So at this point, I'm just going to go ahead and add my cabbage. Cover it, and then I will allow it to cook for 1 minute. So here we are, 1 minute later. I'll just check and then just stir it. It's been cooking very nicely. So just mix everything together very well, and then I'm just going to go ahead and add 1 seasoning cube. So I'm going to cover it and leave it for about 15 seconds. Mix all together for the seasoning cube to be well mixed. Test for salt, and if the salt is not enough, I just add 1 tablespoon of salt. At this point, I'm just going to go ahead and beat my egg. 4 eggs. I'm using 4 eggs for this sauce, and I'm just going to add this egg to my sauce. As I add the eggs already, no need to mix. I'm just going to go ahead and cover it and allow it to cook for 1 minute before I will turn it, or before I'm going to stir it. So here we go. 1 minute later, I'm just going to go ahead and stir slowly so the eggs will not break into pieces. I like to see my egg sauce, big chunks of eggs in the egg sauce. I just taste for salt, and the salt is enough. Everything is perfect. Just allow it to boil again for another 30 seconds. Stir again slowly, gently. And here we are. Everything is tender. I have the cabbage. I love it crunchy. No need to boil everything too much to kill all the vitamins. So here we are. At this point, my sauce is ready, and I'm just going to go ahead and serve it in the plate. This egg sauce is very simple, very nice, delicious. You can eat with rice, with boiled yam, boiled ripe plantain, or even fried plantain, boiled sweet potato or fried sweet potato. Anything is good with this sauce. Very simple, delicious, and I hope you guys love this video. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share my video, comment, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.